Welcome to Surgical Basics with Dr. Mac. Today we're discussing gowning. After you scrub and dry your hands, put your arms into the gown, but don't poke your hands out. Your hands are not sterile. Use your hand in the sleeve to pull down the opposite sleeve. Then slide that hand into a glove without touching the edges of the glove. Note we are single gloving, surgeons typically double glove. Now you can use your sterile glove to pull the other sleeve down and also to pull out the glove so that when you put your other hand in, it does not contaminate by touching the sides. Next, OR staff will come and tie you in, as we say. The final step is to dance or spin. You hold the card in your right hand and the short tie in your left hand. Hold on to the short tie, give the scrub tech or nurse the card, and turn to your left or counterclockwise. Pull the tie, tie a bow, and then voila, you're gowned and gloved.